All right, we are back with another video. So these videos are going to continue to stream on the Multiplication Live playlist. So I'm going to continue going through all of the fact families today. 8 multiplication fact family. That's what we're focused on for today. And I'm going to demonstrate how, through skip counting, you can solve all of the multiplication problems within the 8 fact family. All right, so I'm going to get right into it. Start counting by 8s. I'm going to skip count by 8s right now. Follow along. Ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. All right, I just skip counted from 8 to 80. Now, if you're able to count by 8s, if you're able to skip count from 8 to 80, you will be able to solve all of the multiplication problems within the 8 fact family. As you can see, I have all the multiplication problems within the 8 fact family written here. And I'm going to solve them using skip counting the same way. 1 times 8 equals 8. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. All right, so we have all our answers here. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 32. 5 times 8 equals 40. 6 times 8 equals 48. 7 times 8 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 9 times 8 equals 72. 10 times 8 equals 80. So if you notice the answers, the answer to each multiplication problem goes up by 8. So the answer to 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 is going to be 8 more than what the previous answer is. 3 times 8 is going to be 8 more than what the answer to 2 times 8 is. So it's just, for every single problem, the answer is just going to be 8 more than what the previous answer was. All right, I'm going to lace up the shoes. I'm going to get the sneakers on. And as always, I'm going to end this episode with some hoops, with some basketball. So I'm going to move this thing to the back here. Get the sneakers on. I'm going to throw down some dunks. I want to make sure everybody can see here. So next video after this, I will be doing the 9 multiplication fact family, skip counting by 9s. And then after that, I will be doing another video showing how to solve multiplication problems if you have not yet mastered skip counting. If you're not at the point where you're able to do the math in your head, like I've said in previous videos, there are some strategies where you can still solve the basic multiplication problems even if you don't have the fluency down completely yet. So I'm going to do a video on that. So in about 10 minutes, I'll do a video on the 9 fact family. And then I will do a video on some additional strategies if we're not fluent with the math yet. Now, the additional strategies, they do take a little longer, but it is still possible to get the right answer and be accurate. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you. You are the reason this channel is growing. Would not be where I am with this channel without all of you here. All right. Basketball was life for me growing up. Don't really get to play too much anymore, but every once in a while when I can, I still get out on the court, get to have a little fun. That shot right there, that is called the hook shot. That is the shot that kept Kareem in the league for 20 years. Once he was too old to really run and jump, that hook shot still made him unstoppable. Now my hook shot, as you can see, isn't as unstoppable. Oh. Sorry. Come on in. Oh, all right.
You need anything from me?
No, I'm all set.
You
Thanks. Yeah,
You like playing basketball?
I do. Love it.
You're playing the gym.
Oh, really? There's people playing?
Yeah, after school. Gotta be late night.
Oh, all right. I'll come through. That was one of the custodians that work here. Really, really cool guy. Awesome guy. All right, last dunk of the day. Here we go. Still got it.